Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video how to continue previous numbering in Goldlocks. So let's started. At first, your open your Goldlocks file and click here text mark and click here numbering icon and click number and mouse click right button continue previous numbering. So again select your text and click here numbering icon and click here number and mouse click here right button continue previous numbering. And I hope enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share and subscribe my channel.